This is my 1994 Mercury 6045 jet on 1992 bass tracker, the Pro 17. My little beater boat. Doesn't look pretty, but it doesn't need to look pretty. Just go out there and have fun. Had to represent myself. A whole bunch of different places on this boat. Yeah, fun little boat. This thing gets me going about 27 to 29 miles per hour. I just got done putting 7 gallons of clear gas in the gas tank and topping off the oil reservoir, because I plan on using it more this year than I have previous years. I just got done putting the 2026 stickers on it. They'll be good for a while. Love the sound of these engines. Figured I'm getting everybody else's boats ready for the season. I might as well get mine ready too.